Our anti-corrosion centers play a crucial role in distributing electrical potential throughout the protected structure of the DAE in Várzea Grande, Mato Grosso, Brazil. Through these centers, we distribute along conduits that run from the lowest to the highest points of the structure, fixing anchoring points at strategic locations. These points are essential for distributing controlled electrical potential, ensuring that the balance of the structure in relation to the environment is maintained, thus preventing the loss of electrons that would result in corrosive processes. The main goal is to ensure the stability of the structure, prolong its lifespan, reduce maintenance costs, and reinforce the policy of development and sustainability. From the centers, the cabling passes through the entire infrastructure where, at each conduit, points are fixed that not only distribute the necessary potential to maintain the physico-chemical balance, but also prevent the structure from losing electrons to both the atmosphere and the interior in contact with liquids or chemical products of the electronic modules. The electronic modules and anti-corrosion centers are fundamental for controlling and distributing this electrical potential. They ensure the continuous balance of the structure, protecting against corrosion and bringing significant benefits to companies. These advantages include reducing maintenance costs, minimizing downtime and accident risks, and the sustainable impact resulting from the elimination of the use of chemicals and the disposal of contaminated metallic materials into the environment. Rustless protects all types of metal against corrosion, whether they are submerged, buried, or exposed. Visit rustless.com.